Hi Pisces, welcome to your year 2021 annual forecast. This is going to be an overview into the year 21 for you. Let's move forward and see what the spirit has to guide you with. In the meanwhile, I'd hugely appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon for me. And if you like this reading, I would love it if you can hit the like button also. And I'm going to be offering free readings for some of you. So if you want me to offer you a free reading, please leave a yes in the comment box below and I'll come back to you. In the last few readings where I've offered free 30-minute sessions, they have received mails from me, and those who did not, I went live on Facebook and they have received their guidance from me there. So if you like a free 30-minute session, please leave a yes in the comment box below. Okay. So overall energy for your year 21 is the Four of Pentacles. I feel like you are taking some time to work on yourself, your stability, growing your pentacles in the year 2021. Also, I feel like you are, whatever this was that was holding you back in the last few months from going out, taking few steps, or was leaving you in a state of confusion, is lifting for you with the card of the Sun. A lot of powerful people and those who are genuinely looking to help and support you are coming your way. You will also have the strong presence of air signs around this year. Air signs would be Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. You could be dealing with any of those or all of these. It may be, it may not be just these signs. I'm also getting earth signs very strongly. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn coming up for you in the year 2021. So I feel like Pisces that you are definitely cutting away ties, people, situations that are or that were holding you back. And in the year 2021, you're looking to grow because there's the energy of Queen of Pentacles. You are definitely wanting to grow here, and you are going to achieve a lot for yourself as well. You also have the card of the Dreamer, and you are going to have to take a leap of faith, or you could have already done that, and you are being asked to follow your dreams because there are some hidden or unexpected opportunities that are lined up for you in the month of March, in your birthday month is what I'm feeling, or something could be starting from there. Some of you Pisces could be even a cusper of Aquarius, and or have a strong influence of Aquarius in your chart. I also get the Six of Earth energy. There are lots of gifts of money, time, wealth, effort coming your way. Someone from the past could be coming to your way also, but you're being asked not to go back to the past, not lean too much on whatever it was in the past that you were feeling tied down with, because there are some good, huge new career opportunities lined up for you. And if you've been wanting a loan to buy a house, or you wanted to pay off some loan or debts, that's happening for you in the year 21 also. That's going to differ according to your personal chart as well. You get the Queen of Air energy. This is the Queen of Swords energy. Pisces is very interesting because you have the King of Swords and you have the Queen of Air, which is the Queen of Swords energy. This could be a twin flame or a soulmate connection you are looking to collaborate with, or someone in your life comes here who is this energy and they're looking to work with you, to support you, just be there for you. And you are looking really, really powerful here. You're definitely clearing away all that no longer serves you, and you are going forward with your decisions and your plans here. You could be looking to start a new relationship also. You get the card of Three of Fire. Three of Fire is the Three of Wands energy, and this tells me there's this time of abundance. Number three is ruled by Jupiter, or you could be researching something, you could be learning about something new, something that you are going to step into. Maybe it's about a new training, stepping into a new field, some research work. But you also have a lot of patience at this time, and things are looking very, very good for you, very progressive. You are being asked to make long-term plans here. The spirit is asking you to make long-term plans here, because with this card, whatever you're thinking about, you are going to manifest in your life. So if there isn't anything that you have been very particular about or focused on, you're going to feel a little scattered when you step into this energy. You get the card of the devil and also the card of marriage. I feel like some of you could be breaking old ties or stepping away from your difficult married life or a relationship. Also, this could be at the work front as well. And you could some of you could be looking for a new relationship, new marriage, new partnerships. But I feel like there are a lot of big decisions coming to you here, something that had your fancy or your attention in the past. You could be moving away from that such a relationship also, but you're attracting a lot of emotional fulfillment and unconditional love for yourself here, Pisces. Give me more cards for Pisces, please. You get the card of angel. How long have I been getting in your readings that angels and spirit guides are protecting you? You need to go forward with your plans and take that leap of faith if you haven't already done that. So with the card of the angels, you're being guided, and you're being you're it's being told to you that you're being protected very strongly, because there is a spiritual journey that you're on, and you are very well taken care of here, Pisces. I don't feel like you need to worry about where your next income is going to come from, where your next salary is going to come from, or how you're going to have to pay your bills. How will you pay your bills, actually? Let me draw you some cards from the Oracle deck for Pisces, please. For Pisces, you get the card of service. I'm going to pick them up. You get the card of service. You get the card of destiny. Pisces, like I feel like with the card of the angels, you are definitely going to be more involved in charity work or helping other people. I kind of feel like this has also got to do with your soul plan. So you helping people through your intuition or some kind of guidance, your physical abilities, your innate talents, whatever this is, counseling, career guidance, anything. You could be helping people, you could be serving people, and this is kind of a part of your destiny. And you're going to live this year in the year 2021. For Pisces, please, you get a very strong card of voyage. You get the card of transformation. Yeah, after the service, you get the card of the voyage of the heart. You're definitely exuding a lot of love. You're feeling a lot of love, and you're exuding this too. You're feeling very powerful inside, very confident. I get the card of miracles. So I've recorded for 5 signs before yours, and this is the first time this card pops out. And you get the card of miracles. Expect wondrous changes to emerge in your life. And you get the card of transformation and reaching your destination. I feel like a fresh new way of living or thinking or new ideas could be coming into your life here, Pisces, in the year 2021. And with the card of reaching your destination, your light is shining so brightly that people are going to take notice of you. If you have been feeling very, very uh, insecure or lacking in confidence, that's no longer going to be a part of you in the year 2021. Now, let me get you some messages from the crystals, from the spirit. Let's see what they have in store for you in the year 2021. I feel like for some of you, Pisces, I just saw you could be working on your weight. You could be working on taking better care of yourself. You could be working on your sleep. You're even dealing with some negativity here that you're going to work consciously towards clearing. I'm seeing a child for a lot of you, Pisces. You could be dealing with a child, you could be having a child of your own, you could be extending the family, but that's happening for you in the year 2021. I see a flute. Some of you could be literally taking to learning a new instrument or rekindling your passion in playing any instrument. What is the spirit animal? I see the dove. The dove is your spirit animal for the year 2021. You are definitely looking to settle down peacefully and expecting more happiness from life. You're wanting to be by yourself. You could be taking a lot of you could be taking to meditation as well. I see no new doorways opening for you, and this is happening after the month June for some of you and after the month of August for some of you. A lot of you Pisces could be thinking about buying a car, changing, repairing, or doing something with the car. But that's a very strong theme for you in the year 2021. So, all right, Pisces, that's all the messages I have for you for now. Do remember to leave a yes in the comment box below if you'd like me to reach out to you for a free reading. And I'm offering one actually. So, just type a yes and I'd come back. And also, give this reading a thumbs up if this helps you. And stay safe, stay blessed, and until we meet again, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. I'm going to be diving deeper into your readings in the year 21. So, as and when I send out an update on my channel, you should get notified if you are already subscribed. So, I will meet you very soon. Bye bye, stay safe, and stay blessed.